Hello, today you're going to learn how to properly set up LED Kit 5. First, you're going to open all 4 latches and then open the kit. Take out the 2 small bags and pull out the tripod. Now open the bag and pull out the tripod. Pull out the legs. Now unscrew the knob to loosen and then rescrew it to tighten. Now grab one of the red bags in the kit, make sure that there's a cable inside, and hook it on to the tripod. Next, grab the LED panel, unzip the case, take out the LED panel and align the bottom of the panel to the top of the tripod and screw to tighten. Now open the barn doors of the LED panel. Unzip one of the blue bags with the batteries inside. Pull out one of the large batteries. Grab the cable from the red bag. Put one of the ends of the cable into the D-tap port on the battery and attach the other end of the cable to the LED panel. Now put the battery back inside the red bag. Now you could press the switch button on the light. Here are all the settings that you can use on the LED panel. You can change it to different color temperatures as well as presets. And there you have it, that's how you set up LED Kit 5.